What is going on, guys? It is Trader Cause. I just wanted to record a quick update video. There's still a couple days left until I stream my scheduled Tuesday stream, but I wanted to get a quick update out there beforehand, talk about this long position, my Bitcoin long, Ethereum long, and I'll quickly review the long from yesterday that we cut early if we have time. Because in these videos we talk about the good stuff and the bad. I don't want trading to seem like it's just winning. But this range has been really good to us. In the streams, I've talked about how we longed this area, we shorted 40K, and now we're long again here. So we're just looking to keep milking this range for as long as we can. If we quickly zoom out, you can see we've been stuck between this low 40s, low 30s for quite some time now, and trading a range is kind of the ideal scenario for me, so I hope we just continue to do this for months. It's a pretty cool thing to watch when we get to 40K. Everyone on Twitter is going to tell you we're going back to all-time highs, but then when we're down here in the low 30s, everyone on Twitter thinks it's over. So it's pretty funny to watch. This was a pretty key low. We took it out here, led to the run up to these highs at 40K, where we took out this high. These ones have still been left untapped, so that's the target for this trade here. I expect continued ranging, and I just thought the confluence of this level with this low back here as well, which was just above it, and the 4-hour demand level lined up so perfectly. So a couple days ago I posted, I think when we were maybe around here, somewhere in there, that I had bids at this 33K level, and they have all been filled. Now we're looking for 42.5 as our take profit area. I think this trade has a higher likelihood of playing out once we break above this mid 35 level. I think this was a pretty important consolidation here, and if we flip that, I think the structure will officially be flipped, and I'd expect us to move up from there. I still think this gray area is pretty clean for a possible short, so I might take a short here on a different account if we get there. Maybe short it from here down to the monthly and then back up to 42. But we can talk about that later, probably in one of the streams this week, because I think that is still a few days out. The main thing I'm watching for now, though, is to see if we can get above this level. If we do, I will be moving my stop up to the low, but for right now, this still could come down for another leg or even take that out before going up, so I'm not too interested in moving up my stop loss quite yet. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. It was really nice to see that these all filled when I checked the chart this morning, and now we're just going to do our best to ride it, not close too early, and just continue to keep playing this range. Ethereum, I entered along after I saw this sweep happen in my tweet yesterday, when I talked about longing. Where was it? I think it was up here. Let me zoom in. I took a long, I think it was here. We took a long here, wanted to see it flip this level. It never did, and then closed it at just under break even here, proceeded to bleed off, and in that original tweet I was saying if that long gets stopped out, I like our chances of going to 2080, which is the level that I would want to take new longs from, and this is a Monday's low from a couple weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago, that we left untapped. Now we have taken out all these levels and taken out this low, so I expect Ethereum to push up from here. I like the initial reaction from here. This is a higher risk play, I guess you could say, because I do have my stop at the low, but I think this is an opportunity to squeeze out a higher R trade if I'm right. Once again, I'll be more confident in this setup once we can break above this 2275 level, and I would be looking to compound there. And depending on the structure in here, if we put in a low like that before getting above, I think we could move the stop loss up to there. But a little hard to say that in advance when I still don't know what the price action is going to look like. But the key takeaway is that if we can get above 2275, I think the probability of this trade playing out increases quite a bit. Weekly open at $2,500 is my first target. That's where I'll be looking to at least either open a short to hedge against this long or take some partial profit. But I do think it's possible that we push higher and start taking out some of these highs. So here's where we see a difference between the structure of Ethereum and the structure of Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, we took out the June 3rd high, I think it was. No, it was the one before that. So the May 26th high, this one right here. But all those are still unswept. So if we're able to flip this level, I'd be looking at the monthly open. If we can get above that, I pretty much just want to take all the liquidity here, and then we will be looking to short this back down. So we're literally just going to keep milking this range for as long as we possibly can, and that is pretty much it. So I hope this quick video is helpful. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on Twitter, and hopefully we can make some money together. But not financial advice, of course. Just showing what I am personally doing with my trading, and I hope you guys can learn a thing or two from it. Talk to you soon.